In this video, I will walk you through an in-depth review and comparison of the Xiaomi Z906 drone to help you decide if this high-tech flyer deserves a spot in your gear bag. When we look at the market for portable aerial photography, the Z906 enters a crowded space but manages to carve out its own identity by balancing professional-grade aesthetics with a price point that is surprisingly accessible for hobbyists. In this comparison, we really see the contrast between established high-end brands and the aggressive value proposition that Xiaomi offers. On one hand, you have the heavy hitters with decades of flight software polish, but on the other, the Z906 brings substantial physical hardware and a foldable design that makes it incredibly competitive for travelers and hikers who need to save on pack space. The build quality feels robust rather than plasticky, which is a common trade-off in the mid-range market. As I analyze the listings and user feedback from sources like AliExpress, it becomes clear that the standout feature here is the inclusion of advanced obstacle avoidance and a stabilizer system that rivals much more expensive units. While some drones in this category cut corners on the remote controller quality, the Z906 setup provides a tactile and responsive experience that is easy to sync up. It is a classic battle of brand heritage versus pure specs, and Xiaomi is leaning hard into the specs. Whether you are a beginner looking for a safe first flight, or a veteran looking for a reliable backup, understanding these trade-offs is key. Thanks for watching our detailed breakdown of the Xiaomi Z906. If this helped you make a decision, please hit that like button and subscribe for more tech comparisons. Let me know in the comments which drone you would pick for your next project.